Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to access and set up FTP with Siteground. First, log into your account. Once you're in, go to the Websites section in the upper menu. Here, click on Site Tools beside the website you want to work with. Now, on the left panel, click on Site, then go to FTP Accounts. Here, you'll be able to see your existing FTP accounts. If you want to set up a new one, simply enter an account name and create a password. After that, click Create. You'll then see the new account listed under your FTP accounts. Next, click on the three dots beside the FTP account you created and select FTP credentials. Here, you can access important FTP settings such as your hostname, username, and port. FTP is a file transfer protocol which basically allows you to connect to your website server so you can upload, download, and manage files directly. This is useful when you need to edit website files, move content, or troubleshoot issues behind the scenes. And that's just basically it. Now, you have set up your FTP and have an access to it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.